You ready or what?
Yeah, I think I'm ready. Ready as I'll ever be.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Well, currently, tonight, Braven is getting the car ready. Had a dead battery. We're getting ready to load this thing up on the trailer because we got to drive this thing all the way out to Mesa. And that's the only reason why I want to trailer it, because it's like really far. But potentially to trade this thing right now. A little more. Right there. Alright, we made it out here. Braven's going with the guy to test drive the car. Hopefully he likes it, dude, because this little car that he's wanting to trade Braven for, it's actually really pretty sweet. I'm actually kind of jealous. He's got it running over here. He says it runs really good, but this is it. Hell yeah. I don't want to get too excited because who knows? The guy might say that Braven's Accord has too many problems, because I mean, it does have a lot of problems, little here's and there's, but for the most part it's in really great shape for being an old Accord. But this guy's actually into these Accords. I guess he has an entire like aftermarket exhaust system for the car already, like in his garage, so which is dope, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hopefully the test drive goes good and the guy likes it. If he does, then we'll be loading up the old square body Wago, bro. And if not, then we'll be loading the damn Accord back up. You'll find out in the next clip. Got my table. Get out of the way, Jack. Jack! Oh. The merch table. They probably don't know that. This table is specifically for merch. When merch goes down, this table gets brought out. This is what I fold all the shirts on. This is what I cut all the stickers on. This is what I do everything on. Merch table. So if you bought merch and you've got it, know that it's touched this table. Fuck yeah. Ready? Keep pulling my beer. Raven, can you pull my beer back out? We need a bigger driveway.
Yeah, I agree.
Get rid of all that grass. We should just concrete that.
Yeah, I agree.
Just concrete all of that. Get rid of the fence. Be a big driveway. Alright. See you later there, Gotham. Have a good life. Whoa. Not supposed to go that far. Alright. This one, I'm gonna move over a little bit. Yeah. Alright. There we go. So sadly, the trade did not go through. Poor Braven. Don't let him fool you. He's actually a little brokenhearted about it.
Who?
You.
No, I'm not brokenhearted.
Yeah, you're brokenhearted about
No,
it. Go along with it, you. It is time to apply the biggest DBG sticker that has ever been made in the history of man. Oops. 10 time lapses later, like Jesus Christ, my camera only time lapse for it. I forget how long it is, but it's like 30 minutes it'll time lapse and then it shuts off. So yeah, like 10 of those later, I genuinely didn't think that this was gonna take me this damn long. I used to do this stuff when I worked at the sign shop, and I don't know, maybe it was just easier when you had more tools and people actually helping you.
Don't look at me like that.
Dude's been on his phone the whole time, the entire time. But anyhow, guys, look, that's one side done, and I literally have a whole nother side to freaking do. But anyhow, like I dig it. I think it came out nice. There are little imperfections in it that I don't like, but like I was doing everything wet on this side, and then I started doing the DBG dry, so I did get some like bumps in it and stuff, but it's not a big deal, dude. I'm not really worried about it. A lot of it disappears as it gets old, or not old, but like as the sun like beams on it, a lot of the bubbles and stuff just kind of dissipate. So give it a couple of days and all that stuff will be gone. But anyhow, came out really clean, dude. Like I was gonna try to run the vinyl through the door handle. That's kind of the reason why we positioned this where it was at, because this was gonna be a lot lower down here, but then it would have put the door handle like right here in the lettering. And that would have looked funny without trying to get the vinyl to go all through inside of there. But we just raised it up a little bit, said screw it. The hardest part was obviously in here, and then obviously this trim right here going across the window. I was trying to do it to where at least the white vinyl was still there, but it just, it looked like crap, bro. I wanted to peel it off, because you literally had to cut it on the top and the bottom. So then you had a little black line in between. I don't know. I don't think it looks bad, especially whenever you get further back and you see it, like, came out really clean. But yeah, like I said, I still have the whole other side to freaking do right now. I don't even feel like doing it. What do you think, Braven? Should I even get into that can of worms?
You're not gonna have light.
This is like, I'm supposed to get this done and then continue on to something else, because currently right now it's Sunday. We went yesterday, Saturday night, to go look at that car to trade, and then I started on this morning, and now the sun's going down. Like this is me working on Monday's video. I'm trying to get enough content together to actually finish a video for you guys for Monday, and this literally took my entire damn day just doing half of it. All right, well, I got all the black done for now, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, take my ass to bed, because I'm actually tired from doing this all damn day long. It's midnight now. Yeah, all the black is done, so pick back up on this in the morning. Alrighty, next morning. So we got a bunch of rain last night, bro, so I had to move everything around. Obviously I don't leave the 2J out in the street at night, so we got the 2J up here and got all the cars that, you know, we don't want rain on, like Braven's car here. But the plan is to try to hurry up and get this sticker done. Braven's gonna come out and just kind of clean his car up really quick, just because it's filthy. We need to get that thing dropped off over at Cody's house so he can start on the charge piping. So yeah. While Braven's getting up, I just woke him up right now. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. He's gonna come out and clean that up like I was saying, and I'm gonna try to get the sticker done before he gets done, because I don't want to hold up actually getting something done because I want to get my sticker done, you know what I'm saying? All right, sticker's done. I'll clean it up later. There's a little trimming and stuff that has to be done, but it's whatever. I think the point is being made. Anyhow, Braven's gonna spray venom off right now, and we're gonna get it loaded up and go get this thing dropped off at Cody's, man. We hit him up and he's ready for us. Alrighty, well, it's all yours, sir.
Alright. Probably make this all one piece, coming around here up to the turbo. And then we'll do 2 pieces of intercooler piping up here. And then we'll figure out some hood dump for it. Maybe some oval pipe or something crazy looking.
Yeah,
maybe,
that'd be dope, dude.
Yeah, maybe just...
Yeah, we forgot to bring a damn hood so he can actually do the dump, but what he's gonna do is just leave it long. And we'll have to trim it later, but... Hell yeah. Hopefully the placement on this is good enough.
Yeah, I mean, for welding I can make anything, but as far as like how you guys want it to look with the front bumper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If it has to drop down or something like that.
Yeah, it should be alright.
Yeah.
Where it's at's where it's at, bro. That's permanent.
I like that.
But there it is, man. We're leaving it in good hands. I'll put his Instagram on the screen right now if you guys want to follow along. I'm sure he'll post about it. He's also the one that's doing all the work on Colton's car. I'm not gonna show it because Colton's kind of secretive about his stuff sometimes, so if he wants to share that stuff, he'll share it himself. But just know it's freaking badass, man. We're just looking at it and it's pretty impressive. Holy shit. But yeah, he's gonna weld up all the charge piping and try to do a hood dump and all that. He said he'll probably have it done today.
Yeah,
so
it'll be done today. Won't take me too long.
Do you do side jobs? Like, are you interested in taking on side jobs?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah.
I mean, people just have to work on my schedule. This isn't my full-time job or anything. So.
Yeah, this is his side gig, so he does do side work, but depends on whether it fits into the schedule. So I will have his Instagram posted on the screen. I'll put it in the description down below as well. So if you guys are local, like, go to his Instagram, check out his work. And if you like what you see and you need some stuff done, hit him up. Maybe we can fit you in. But yeah, we're gonna leave it here for now and get back to the house. Alright guys, we're back at the house. But yeah, like I was saying, man, Cody, it's not his main gig. This is his side gig. So just because he's doing our car, well, Braven's car, and he'll probably have it done today, I just don't want you guys to be under the impression like he's a same day service type of dude, man. You know what I'm saying? It worked out perfectly. We had Braven's car ready, and he's finishing up my cousin's car today, and he has work off today, you know what I'm saying? And it's only gonna take him a couple of hours to do what he's gotta do. So he's gonna knock Braven's car out, get it done, and we're gonna run back and go pick it up. But you guys will see that probably in tomorrow's video. Anyhow guys, that's pretty much all for today's video. Sorry we didn't get a whole lot done. That damn sticker on the Suburban literally took up like a whole day's worth of my weekend. But no worries, man, we most certainly don't have a shortage of content. I think I'm probably gonna show you guys the engine for Gotham this week, so look forward to that. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one. Later there, Rughead.
Peace.